Hi everyone, it's Deborah Murtagh here from 30 Days One Dress Size. Now there's a lot of questions, what are we going to be eating? And I want you to know that my program is not about deprivation at all. So I decided to prepare a few things. We're at the beach at the moment, and so I've decided to prepare a bit of a spread to show you exactly what we eat at home and as a family, and also what you'll be eating on the challenge. So let me go through. You have many breakfast options. We have coconut yogurt and blueberries. There is a beautiful chocolate and freeze-dried raspberry muesli that you can make at home to have with yogurt. 2-minute omelettes that are literally extremely quick to whip up in the morning. Matcha latte, superfood berry smoothies. We also have chia pudding, which is just delicious. You can have this any time of day. Chia seeds are the most nutritious food on the planet for their size. You can have salmon and cream cheese and capers and beautiful flaxseed crackers and beautiful snacks as well. And of course, this is one of my most famous dishes. It is the cauliflower turmeric cheese bake, and you'll love that as well. Now I'm very much into fermented foods and probiotic foods that are extremely good for the gut. So I try and include these in the program. So we've got beautiful kombuchas and sauerkrauts and kimchis and all those sorts of foods that are going to be extremely good for healing the gut, getting your digestive system right, and making you feel fantastic and alive. I'm very big on broths as well, bone broths, which are extremely good, one of the #1 healing foods for the gut. And if you don't want to drink broth, you can always turn it into an amazing array of different soups. And I wanted to show you some of the beautiful salads that we make. So here are some of the examples of what you'll be eating on the program. There's a beautiful Thai beef salad that I've made, and there's a gorgeous zucchini noodle fettuccine, and there is the most gorgeous roast, nectarine and ricotta dessert. So as you can see, there's nothing about deprivation on my program. So I do hope that you'll join us. So click on the link below and I'll see you on the other side.